Hello guys, good evening. You're welcome to Motivational Songs and Relevant Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on your Samsung J3 phone without your power button, or when your power button is not working, just like mine. So you will need your charger and just your phone. These are the only two things you will need. So first of all, you press on your volume down button in addition to your home button, and then you insert your charger. And so when you do this, a custom OS menu or this thing will appear, and then all you need to do is to click on your volume down button to start your phone. Volume down button. So thank you guys for watching. So this is how you can turn on your Samsung J3 phone.